Hello students, today we are going to learn one more important point of writing skill, that is writing a film review. In our last video we have seen with the help of lots of points we can write that review. Today we will take the sample of it, and today we are going to take the film review of the film Sholay. So let's start it, how to write it, let's see. First of all, you have to write in this way in the question, film review, give colon mark, then Sholay. Okay, in bracket you can write the year also, year of releasing. Got it? Now the next it is the headline. So how to make a headline? We all of you have learned how to make a catchy headline. So using the dialogue given in that film, I have used it here, must watch, nahi to tera kya hoga Kalia. In this way we can write the headline, which is very catchy one. Okay, so after that you have to give some points here. If you are not mentioning these points and writing a paragraph, then also it's okay. Got it? बघा मी पुन्हा एकदा सांगते, हे पॉइंट मी हायलाइट करण्यासाठी सेपरेट घेतलेले आहेत. जर तुम्ही हे पॉइंटच पूर्ण पॅराग्राफ मध्ये घेत असाल तरी पण ओके आहे. अंडरस्टँड? So see here, first one you have to write the name of the film as it has written Sholay, year releasing year 1975, genre means which type of that film is there. So I have taken as a revenge and love. These two themes are there. So all type of love is there. For friend it is there, for girlfriend is there, okay, for a widow is there, for village yes it is there. Okay, so lots of type of love we can see there. Now the next it is about director. You have to mention the name of Ramesh Sippy here. Producer GP Sippy. Now cast. Cast means characters, actor or actress. In case of this you have to write here the list of the characters. Here you have to mention just major characters only. So what will you write here? First one, Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmendra, Hema Malini, Jaya Bhaduri, Amjad Khan. Okay? So in this way, you have to mention the names of cast here. Okay? Now the next it is rating. You can either give the rating in this way or in this way. So those methods, both methods I have used it here. Okay? This will be important points which we have to focus first only. Now don't write such a points here, just write all these things in paragraph only. But to better understand, I have made the point of it. लक्षात ठेवा, एक्झाम मध्ये हे कुठलेही पॉइंट इकडे लिहिलेले लिहायचे नाही, फक्त पॅराग्राफ मध्ये या गोष्टी मेन्शन करायच्या आहेत. तर कोणत्या गोष्टी आपण मेन्शन करणार आहे हे लक्षात यावं म्हणून मी हे पॉइंट सेपरेट बनवलेले आहेत. Okay, so by making a paragraph you will start to write the review of the film. आता रिव्ह्यू कसा लिहायचा आहे आपल्याला माहिती आहे, हे सगळे पॉइंट फक्त सेंटेन्स मध्ये कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायचे. तर पहिला बघा, about the film you have to write. So what I have written, first point is the story line. Okay, स्टोरी लाईन मध्ये तुम्ही 3 ते 4 ओळीमध्ये त्या फिल्मची कंप्लीट स्टोरी सांगायची आहे. तर आता इथं कसं सांगता येईल, that this is the story of a retired policeman who with the help of 2 youngsters escaped the villagers from the clutches of cruel dacoit. ओके, क्रूर असा डाकू असो ज्यामध्ये अमजद खाननं गब्बर सिंगचा रोल प्ले केलेला आहे. तर त्याच्या तावडीतून गावाची सुटका करण्यासाठी 2 यंगस्टर जय आणि वीरू यांच्या मदतीनं एका रिटायर पोलिसमॅननं केलेला संघर्ष. दॅट इज द स्टोरी लाईन. ओके, इन दिस वे तुम्ही एक्झाममध्ये जी फिल्म चूज केलेली आहे त्याची स्टोरी एक एवढ्याच ओळीमध्ये ती लिहायची आहे. दॅट विल बी अबाउट द स्टोरी लाईन. Now next points which you have to mention. So in this way there are many factors which contributed in making it super hit movie in history of Bollywood films. आता हे कसं लिहायचं की तुम्ही फिल्मला आता लिहिताना सुरुवात करायची की कोणत्या गोष्टी होत्या, हे कंपल्सरी वाक्य राहील तुमच्यात. कंपल्सरी वाक्य राहील तुमच्या फिल्मबद्दल लिहिण्यासाठी. जे कॉमन सेंटेन्सेस आहेत ती मी कंप्लीट लिहिलेली आहेत, ती तुम्ही ॲज इट इज तुमच्या रिव्ह्यूमध्ये वापरू शकता. तर देर आर मेनी फॅक्टर्स विच कॉन्ट्रीब्युटेड इन मेकिंग इट सुपर हिट मूवी इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ बॉलिवूड इट हॅज रिटन बाय सलीम जावेद. ओके, तर त्यांनी सलीम जावेद यांनी हे लिहिलेली आहे मूवी. डायरेक्टेड बाय, यू कॅन राईट अगेन हिअर, रमेश सिप्पी. प्रोड्यूस बाय GP सिप्पी. याचे सेंटेन्सेस करायचे. दिस मूवी हॅज डायरेक्टेड बाय डॅश, प्रोड्यूस बाय डॅश. ओके, हे सगळं तिथं तुम्ही मेन्शन करायचं. नाव अगेन द नेम ऑफ द ॲक्टर अँड ॲक्ट्रेस इन केस ऑफ कॅरेक्टर्स. आता कॅरेक्टर्सचा पॉईंट हा थोडा मोठा राहू शकतो, कारण आता तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की मल्टी हिरोज असतात आणि त्यामुळे मूवीमध्ये त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला हे दोन गोष्टीत डिवाइड करता येईल. In case of characters, we can divide it in a major characters and in a minor characters. So while writing about the major characters, again you can repeat the list which has given we have here. But here writing while about the writers, you can add some things to it. काही ॲडजेक्टिव्स तुम्ही ॲड करू शकता. जसं की आता तुम्ही सांगितलं की यामध्ये अमिताभ बच्चनचा रोल आहे. सो वी कॅन राईट दॅट अमिताभ बच्चन हॅज अ प्लेड रोल ऑफ जय. नेक्स्ट वन, धर्मेंद्र ॲज वीरू, हेमा मालिनी ॲज बसंती, अँड जया भादुरी ॲज क्वाइट अ सिरियस विडो राधा. Okay, in this way you can give some adjectives and mention it in case of characters. Got it? आता याच्यामध्ये आणखीन मेजर रोल कुणाचे आहेत? गब्बर सिंग. येस, दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कॅरेक्टर. आता मेजर कॅरेक्टर्समध्ये आपण कॉन्फ्लिक्ट या पार्टमध्ये पाहिलं होतं की गुड आणि इव्हिलचा स्ट्रगल असणार आहे त्यामध्ये. तर इव्हिल कॅरेक्टर रिप्रेझेंट केलेलं आहे ते गब्बर सिंग यानी बाय अमजद खान. सो यू हॅव टू मेन्शन दॅट ऑल्सो देअर. ओके, सो दॅट विल बी द लिस्ट ऑफ मेजर कॅरेक्टर्स विच यू हॅव टू मेन्शन इट. नेक्स्ट इट इज मायनर कॅरेक्टर्स. मायनर कॅरेक्टर्समध्ये सुद्धा असे काही कॅरेक्टर्स आलेले आहेत की ते आजही आपण त्यांचे उदाहरणं देतो. जसं की सी द रोल ऑफ मावसी, बसंतीची मावशी दाखवलेली आहे. ओके, हां, सो हां, यू हॅव टू राईट लाईक दॅट ओनली, मावसीज कॅरेक्टर. नेक्स्ट इट इज द पोलिसमैन. हु इज दैट? हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने से. सो द रोल प्लेड बाय, that is also very important and memorable role. Next, see the role of Kalia, Samba. Yes, that is also very memorable role. Actually the roles given to them are very short, but today also we are using. कुणाला हाक मारायचं असेल तर आपण त्या स्टँड बे ओ कालिया, we are saying so. किंवा see, in case of Samba also, we are using these words today also. इतके important, unforgettable characters झालेले आहेत. Even though they are minor characters, but it has played a very important role. Okay, now one more character which we cannot forget is the role of Dhanno. And you know that Dhanno is the horse, mare of that Basanti. Okay, and it had also played very important role. So whatever important roles are there, you have to mention in these characters. Got it? After writing this, you have to lead to the dialogues. आणि तुम्हाला माहिती आहे शोलेमधले डायलॉग्स हे खूप गाजलेले आहेत. So at least 2 to 3 dialogues you can mention it here. For example, बसंती, इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना. हाँ, नेक्स्ट, हाँ, कितने आदमी थे? सरदार 2. वो 2 थे, तुम 3, बहुत नाइंसाफी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, of the Gabbar Singh's dialogues are very famous one, like that he was telling about the terror. That time he was telling 50 कोस में कोई बच्चा रोता है तो उसकी माँ बोलती है सो जा नहीं तो गब्बर आ जाएगा. Like that. Okay, and in case of see, so many dialogues are there. Favorite dialogue of that Basanti is also there. यूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलती. But even though she continued to talking only, huh? That dialogue is also famous. And one more that she was telling धन्नो, चल धन्नो, तेरी बसंती की इज्जत का सवाल है. Like that. So at least 2 to 3 dialogues which are very famous one that you can write in this section. Got it? ये हाथ हमको दे दे ठाकुर. You forgot that. That also mentioned. Okay, after completing this point, now we are going to lead some important scenes. Actually, the movie is full of melodramas. Melodrama म्हणजे छोटे छोटे सीन आहेत की जे खरोखर आपल्या मनावर it keep long deep we can say impression on our mind. असे कोणते सीन आहेत बघा मेलोड्रामा मध्ये? That scene of that Dharmendra, he was on that water tank, huh? Chucky pissing and pissing. So that melodrama is today also it is famous one. Okay, now the next scene that Jay, he was telling that Mausi about the this Viru. He is engaged in gambling. He is engaged in theft. He drinks a lot, even though he is a good person. Okay, so that funny dialogue is also very important. In case of that Radha, emotional scene of that widow Radha, that is also very impressive one. So at least 2 scenes you can mention here which are very remarkable. Okay, now the next point boys, it is of songs. And you will laugh, you know, this film has given super duper hit songs. Today also we are playing that. In case of friendship, we are playing the song Ye Dosti Hum Nahi. Yes, exactly. Whenever the Holi, that celebration is there, we are playing the song Holi Ke Din. Yes, today also we are playing the same song. So see how important role has played by that song. And next songs, see many songs are there. Just I want to tell you one more, Mehbooba oh Mehbooba. Huh? In that era, playing such a song, such a bold song, playing, that was a real fact of daring only. And this movie has given various types of songs. Means we can see it's just like a rainbow only. Here is the color of friendship is there, color of love is there, color of sacrifice is there. We can say in case of that retired policeman. Devotion for villages is there, cruelty is there of that dacoit. Okay, so in this way we can see a lots of colors of emotions and feelings has filled in this movie. So this movie is wonderful. Now next point which you have to mention in the exam, that is the setting. Setting in case of set. Actually Ramgarh, that remote village has shown in the film. But the set was set here near Ramanna Nagar, near Bangalore it is. Okay, so the shooting has taken place there. Now the next last point which you have to mention it here, that is the message. In some movies it may be possible that the message is not there. Okay, but here we can get a lot of messages. Just now I told you that various feelings given here, just like a devotion of that joy for his friend, that is also important. Okay, so all these revenge, love, how that is important in our life. We should sacrifice for the villagers, we should help them. Okay, so all these things we have to take as a message from that film. Now the last point of that film review is that your opinion, which you must mention it. So how to mention that? I have made some common sentences here which you can use in another cases, while writing the film review of other films also. So let's see. Overall, it's a perfect blend of all cinematic elements. That sentence you can use it. Each one of them did their role so well that it seems very real one. Okay, that also sentence you can write it here. So in my opinion, you must watch it. And last one, ending also I have made it catchy one, that is nahi to bahut nainsafi hogi. Got it, students? So in this way, you have to write the film review of various films. While choosing the films, you can write about the historical movie, okay, or based on sports, devotion, okay. In this way, just see the review and note down it in your exam also. Thank you.